It's another morning, guys. Good morning this morning. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing my brand new Jojo blender here. So I got this brand new blender from Icecraft. I actually got another one from Facebook Market, but on getting home I tried to plug it. I've already set all my vegetables that I was going to blend. To my amazement, the blender refused to work. I have the video documented and I was like, what the hell? So I had no choice but to go and spend that money I was trying to save, because Facebook Market is actually a community in the UK where people sell their unwanted items to order at cheaper price, which will help you save some money as new commerce or someone trying to get some items. You can see a lot of items there, like your phone, anything, any household item whatsoever, starting from bed, fridge, and a lot of stuff, guys. So the good thing is I was able to get some things, but that particular blender wasn't working, so I was left with no other choice than to get this particular blender. Let's unbox it together, guys. The blender is so lovely, guys. It actually blended my tomatoes and guys, do you guys remember I was in search of a fridge last week? So I actually got the fridge and it was delivered the following day. So I got the fridge from British Art Foundation. Let me show you the fridge, guys. So this is my fridge. Can you see? This is logo of British Art Foundation. And that is the fridge. So I bought the fridge for £65, and I have this. So the second fridge is right here. It's too small for me because I like stocking my home once in a month or once in 2 months. So I had to get the second one. Guys, same. So in the upper layer I have different type of protein. I have shaki, I have goat meat, I have fried chicken, I have chicken nugget, I have roasted turkey. I also have I have a fish. I have catfish in there. I don't want to start scattering it. I have a catfish. I had catfish somewhere around here. I know a lot is going on there. And the lower part is for vegetables. So once I cook now, it's going to be filled up, and I've got my stuff here. So we drink Martina in the UK too. This is my wine, this is my milk, and a whole lot. This is the remaining part of the fried meat, the remaining pepper, the stock, and yeah, that's it for now, guys. Don't mind my face. I'm home today. Today is my half day, so I want to cook different soup. After this one, this one I'll make vegetable egusi and stew. Yeah. So that's that about that, guys. Let me just tidy up my kitchen if I can film more video for you guys. So we've just completed the inventory of the apartment, and we've been connected to energy people. Over energy will be supplying all our gas and electricity. Everything is just falling in place. This morning we had the plumber to come from the maintenance company to come and fix some things in the toilet because the water is not flushing very well, but now it's been fixed. So everything is just setting and falling in place. The only remaining thing now is the heating system, central heating. I don't know, maybe it's me or it's the heating, but I'll call them and I'll give you guys updates about my home. But everything is okay. So I just need to tidy up everywhere because doing the dishes with the dishwasher. So I need to pack them out, guys. I need to pack them out. It's not really much, but I just want to pack them and put them back in their right places. So everything is working perfectly. Today's just a week, no complaint. Every complaint has been fixed, and this is my washing machine working perfectly, and this is my fruit arc everything. So once I clear off this place now, it's gonna be okay, guys. That's that about that. See you later, guys. Bye. Guys, so this is my first time of cooking soup in my own kitchen, in my own apartment. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I started with the egusi, and this time around, I'm not doing the fried Yoruba egusi. I'm doing the Ijebu egusi. If you know, you know. So this is me adding everything. I don't do much oil this time, so what I use is air fryer to air fry my fish. I've kept the fish in the air fryer while I'm doing the other cookings. No, the egusi is done, so I'm packing it into two separate bowls, which I just did. And those are the two separate bowls for the egusi, and that is the meat I'm boiling them. So it's shaki and goat meat with some chicken that I'm boiling there. Yeah. So that is the palm oil. The palm oil I brought from Nigeria has finished, so this is UK palm oil. It's not really giving that palm oil vibe, Jerry, but I don't have choice. So that's crayfish, that's pepper. This is me frying some pepper for the vegetable. Yeah, that's iru. Trying to put some protein inside. Yeah, that's me. That's the vegetable. Yeah, that's me turning the vegetable. The vegetable is ready now. And I'm making some little stew for rice in case we want to eat white rice. So that's the stew I set aside. That's the vegetable. Yeah, guys, I'm just putting all the putable inside this vegetable. Let me meji. Can you imagine, guys? I'm Chef Desi. In fact, I think it's high time I signed for my Guinness book. So I'm scooping the vegetable into two separate bowls as well. Yeah. Now all the meat has really boiled, so that's me pouring the sauce and keeping it in case I want to make jollof rice or something. Yeah. So that's me doing tidying up after making. So I'm putting all the dishes in the dishwasher. That's my fridge is done, and after that I made semo fele fele, semo to fele. That's what I just made. Guys, it's not easy, but trust Chef they say I was really tired. All my body was already shaking, and I made this semo to this. No, it was pando yam I made. Yeah, it was pando yam, and the pando yam was really, really, really giving. I gave it a touch of five-star restaurants. Can you imagine, guys? It was really, really yummy. So that's me done for 2 weeks. They have made food for 2 weeks like that. Guys, this is the final result of what I made today. See ya later, guys. Guys, I'm so tired. So I cook like 3 different soup today. I made egusi, I made vegetable, I made stew. So guys, I'm so tired. I just need to eat, bath, sleep, wake up, and do some readings. Till I see you again on my channel. Bye.